what go on peeps, I don't know boy JNL. You see me back at it again with the next vlog. You know what I mean? Now this vlog is most brought to you by KFC. A joke. Not brought to you by KFC. But you wanna? Richard, what them say? Push and which KFC we can circle?
We can go Portmore, we can go Boulevard Super Center, we can go Arfetry.
Remember now, with the coats right there, so for all who know the place, coats the right there, so. You see me? The car them gone around here, so. You know what I mean? That's the KFC, the way down there, so. Let's see what going on. Now we see what going on for the driver them. We'll go down there and see what going on. Big up. Alright. See what's something man. See what's something. Boss. I could go and catch a little video.
Yeah man, KFC man, I eat a win man.
Yeah.
You know so I go on. Could turn the light out.
Yo people, so watch now. We come visit KFC Arfetry.
Live, fully live, man. Hear that? Vlog that vlog?
Yeah man, I vlog.
Fully live, man. Hear that? That is it, man.
Big shot.
man.
Big up to them, Jenna. What going on? Everything good?
We live. Yeah, watch the vlog them doing. I feel like something.
Yeah, watch. Squats, you don't know.
You know some people over there, tell the truth.
We just get to circle back. You see me? KFC Arfetry. You know what I mean? When they get a KFC? What's that? Pizza.
Are we away from some park now?
I'm parking over here.
No, park. What park?
Why before you're not buying a KFC? You're not buying a KFC in there? You buy already? You get too quick?
You get too from
You
come sleep here.
You come sleep here?
Yeah.
What time that?
From 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Let me live there.
Oh yeah, you live? True, man. I'm terrible for true. I'm terrible, man. Sure. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know your boy JNL. Watch now. If you don't want to watch that full video with the KFC thing, go up on my vlog channel. Remember, you know, JNL Vlogs. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so make sure you go click it and make sure you subscribe to the vlog channel because I upload video over there too. You understand? Yeah, so make sure you go subscribe to JNL Vlogs. You know what I mean? Go on over there and go watch a full video. And also other videos. You see me? I'm out.